bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Whirring noises in food processors come from the motor spinning the blades rapidly to chop or blend food. This sound is caused by the motor's movement and the friction between blades and food. If the noise gets louder or changes, it could mean your processor needs cleaning, the blades are dull, or the motor is under strain. Regular maintenance helps keep it running smoothly and quietly.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.